Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Eris and today is the market day. So some weeks ago I put out this thing about he wants to win like a free shopping, like a 20k shopping voucher to Mushin Market to go get leathers and materials, and I was able to select a winner some days ago. So she sort of sent like a list of what she wants, and most of it seems like what we should be able to get there. So like leathers, accessories, and I can't remember, was there fabric inside that thing? But yeah, basically, so it's something that we should be able to get done in like 2 hours. I haven't gone to Mushin Market in so long. I haven't gone this year. I don't think I went last year. So when I started getting assistance and I started sending people instead of going myself, so I know it's going to be an ordeal for me, but I already put the ad out there, so I have to commit. So I'm already dressed, t-shirt, leggings, ready for action. I'm wearing my Birkenstock, and of course I'm wearing my fanny pack, and I already have her cash money here. I decided to do it mint and I tried to do it cash so that it's going to be an easy transaction. So I had to source this one special for today. All right, the winner of today's giveaway, her name is Arolua. Her brand name is Royal Tote Bags. I don't know if I got that right. At Royal Tote Bags, I'm going to put a link to her own page and you can check her out. She really has a lot of potential, and I think I remember her from when I did the master class last year. When I saw her picture, like after picking a name and I saw her and I'm like, oh my god, this is a real Lua now. So she has a lot of potential and I really would love to see people thrive. I would like to see others thrive, not just only me. I also want to build a community where we can all grow together instead of just gatekeeping and refusing to, open up. All right guys, let me get ready and head out. I'm to meet Ore Olua by 12 p.m. This is already it's after 11, so let me just get ready, head out, then we can start our shopping trip.
Everyone, my name is Ore Aishola and I'm the privileged founder of Royal Tote Bags and also the beneficiary of the 20k voucher giveaway for the Mushin Market.
Guys, I haven't been to Mushin Leather Market in more than a year and I still did not miss this feeling of trekking under the hot sun. So we decided to start from the first vendor, which is the popular Mama Ejima. She sells accessories for bag and shoes. So Aurora just decided to sort of scout the assortment of things that she had before going on to pick, while I just decided to go around and show you guys what she actually sells. So she has things sort of hanging like this on display, but pretty much all the shelves are fully stocked with everything that you want, so you can find any kind of accessories and some small tools for bag making. You can hit me up if you want her details. She has already given me permission to share her phone number and her WhatsApp, so just let me know if you want me to share her contact with you. So these are the stuffs that we just ended up buying. She just picked essentials for, I think it's like 2 bags, so the chain, the rivets and all. So then we moved to the fabric section. You can see some bundles of synthetic material, but we're getting to that. So we stopped by this vendor. He's at Agbongbon Junction on Ladipo Street in Mushin Market, and he sells just like this wild assortment of really nice fabrics, bag fabrics to be exact. So they are really thick and they can actually hold your project together. So I just got some denim, and the next person was selling jute. This is jute in different colors. This is just a bonus. I didn't really buy anything. I just wanted to show you guys what they had in the synthetic department. So we even have some Gucci, some Coach, some Louis Vuitton. Oh my god, you can find anything in print. And I'm still on the Agbongbon Street here, and we decided to check out another vendor again. And while I was just looking around, I saw this really nice gold synthetic leather that I just loved. I don't even know what I want to use it to make, but I just wanted to get it. I just love that there's so much going on with the material. So as you can see, it's actually sold in yards. So this is another trivia too. The moment you see them cutting them from bundles like this, that is the first giveaway that whatever you're buying is not from an animal, it's actually produced in a factory. So whether it's vinyl or PU leather or polyurethane or anything synthetic or faux is actually sold in bundles like this.
So like this one is strong. Some are softer.
This one's strong. This one is light.
This one, okay, just two variants.
Soft and hard.
This one is medium.
This one is medium.
So this one is thicker than this one. This one is for shoe. So most times when I do my own tote bag, if it's going to be a small bag, you can do either this or this. But if it's a big bag now, as big as, then I don't need, like me, I'm stubborn. I don't use something to do bag before. Price true. Somebody asked me a question. They said I should find out price for this thing. Yeah. So this light one is 1.3. Then this one will go 1.6. So 1.3, 1.6, 2.5. So it's very thick. But you can take one of this one. Then you can now take this light. This is Marco. How much sheet?
This one is 2,000. It's very large. This is half sheet.
Okay, that's half. Okay, the long this
So
thing.
this one is 2 sheets.
Big go.
So guys, after getting some stiffeners, we proceeded to walk all the way to Way Street to the section where we can actually get genuine leather. So I had to locate my old customer because I loved her product, because she's one of the few people that used to actually care about whether the materials are clean or not. So I just respect her for that, and it was really nice seeing her again after more than a year, and apparently she was happy to see me through.
I was waiting for her to remember.
Happy New Year!
Same to you.
How you doing?
You're welcome. I brought somebody now.
Her name is Eukarya, and she actually sells an assortment of cow hides, both plain and patterned. So the cool thing about leathers like this is that even though it's cow hide or goat skin, the top finish is actually like colored or embossed, or there's some sort of pattern on it. So most of what she sells is actually just cowhide. She doesn't have like the real like croc skin or python skin. She just has the patterns on cowhide. So in case of the future, nobody's able to scam you guys that's real crocodile skin. So we have people that sell tools in small quantities, and even your contact adhesive. That's what's in the plastic bottles, is the contact adhesive that has been poured into smaller portions, so it's easier for people to buy. So after getting everything, at this point we were both tired. I mean, I was still able to ginger small, but I could tell Aurelia was already exhausted because she said this was like her first time really walking through most of the market. So she was tired, she was ready to go home, and we were able to get most of what she wanted, and she seemed really happy with what she got. She seemed really satisfied that she was able to actually get to discover new vendors and find out new areas of the market. So here's what we got.
Okay, you bought gold and silver. Okay, so we got zip stoppers. We got, I like this chain because I've used it for a coin before. I think the one I used was a bit smaller, but because of the way it's interlocked, you can actually make big bags. The link is very strong. That's another reason. So it's fine and it's very useful. So we got eyelets, we got zip, we got this. Then I think that's it now. Then okay, then the zip heads. This one is 1.8. Okay, then you got the double face. 2.7. I know I got this tension. I don't think this is cow. This is because it's goat skin that used to have white back like this, and it's really soft. So it's possible that they embossed this, then they printed this. That's why you have gaps like this. So you see the real material under the chipboard and the cardboard. Okay, you didn't buy Mako, that's true.